Hello girls, welcome to a new video. My name is Linda and in this video I'm going to share my super effective lazy girl routine that will make you look pretty and put together, my baby, even when you don't feel like doing anything and you're in extreme laziness. So get comfy, my girl. The first step, as you saw, is drinking water to refresh ourselves, stay hydrated, and of course boost our mood. Honestly, I'm in extreme laziness right now because it's very hot and hot weather is not my favorite, so the heat makes me even more lazy. So yeah. So my beautiful girls, if you're also feeling lazy for any reason, maybe today wasn't your best day or whatever it may be, we can still look pretty and put together during those low energy moments. And let me tell you something really important. It's totally normal to feel this way. We're not always going to have the best energy, and that's okay. That's totally fine, right? Okay, let's move on to the first step of our lazy routine. For this skincare routine, I'm going to use Korean products. You don't need many products to have beautiful, glowy skin. You'll actually be surprised by how few products we're going to use and the amazing results we'll get. So first, we're going to use this hydrating serum from this Korean brand that I absolutely love. Apply it all over your face and neck. The next product is this moisturizer from the same Korean brand. This cream is super good because it leaves your skin very hydrated and glowy instantly. Literally glass skin. It has really good ingredients like hyaluronic acid and panthenol that help hydrate and repair the skin. Apply it on your face and neck. And as you can see, with just two products, we can get amazing and glowy skin in minutes. Literally healthy and glowy skin helps us look radiant, healthy, and awake. The last product, but not least, because it's literally the cherry on top, is sunscreen. I love the sunscreen because it makes your skin look more perfect and super radiant. It has rice extract and is from the Korean brand Haru Wonder. Apply it all over your face and neck. As you can see, with just 3 products, we can achieve glass skin in minutes. Now let's move on to makeup. I call this makeup Lazy Glow Makeup because we're going to use a few products that enhance our natural beauty. First, we're going to do our eyebrows. I use brow pomade and a small brush. It's important that the pomade is a little lighter than your hair if your hair is dark, and darker if your hair is light. I don't have a brush to apply the product, so yeah, I'm going to do it with my clean fingers, alright? Add a little product, not too much. the next step is cooling our lashes and applying mascara. It's important to apply enough mascara, okay, to enhance our beautiful eyes. The next step is super important to look awake and radiant. Blush, baby. Yes, you can use any blush you have. The important thing is to add that pretty pink color to your cheeks. Blush gives us a healthy look and makes us appear more cute. Blend it very well with your fingers. The next step, you can probably guess it. You have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is the lips. For that step, I recommend using a lip gloss to give your lips that easy look. And well, my girls, this is how our skincare and makeup routine looks. I love that. Definitely. Look how glowy the skin looks. Oh my gosh, I love it, girls. So, As final touches, I recommend using some accessories like earrings, hair clips, or jewelry that you like to elevate your appearance. Honestly, this step gives extra points to your look. By the way, nobody will notice if you're having a bad day or feeling lazy. Yeah, girl. And well, my girls, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Love you all. Bye, my girls. Bye.